Hello guys, do you want to earn $200 per day? In this video, I'll show you the step-by-step process by which you can earn $200 or more than that by doing some extra works per day, 1 or 2 hours of work, and at the end of the month, you can earn nearly around $200, like $6,000 per month. Okay, so initially, if you are watching me for the very first time, I am Tapesh Chowdhury from tapeshchowdhury.com, and if you are watching me for the first time or if you are in the channel for the very first time, make sure you subscribe to my channel and also like this video, because I create videos on every single day on making money online, or affiliate marketing, working from home, and different other cool stuff. So let's get started. Alright guys, we are in front of our computer and I will show you step by step process by which you can earn 200 to $300 per day. Okay, so for that we have to promote a Clickbank offer. So as of now, to promote Clickbank offer, for example, if we take any health and wealth niche, or if we take any health and fitness niche, we have to simply go to Google and you just for example, we have taken health and fitness related product. So simply we have to search health and fitness related blogs. So if we search health and fitness blogs, or something like health and wealth, or maybe weight loss blog, or maybe yoga blogs, you can search different kind of blog according to your promotion, according to your product. So if we search of related to the category of our blog, we will find lot of blogs which are promoting. For example, this website, they have listed 15 blogs, and for this website they have listed 20 blogs. And guys, please just know that these are all most traffic, these are all high traffic blogs. So you will get lot of options, you will get lot of sales from these blogs, because their blogs are from very long time, and they are kind of generating very good amount of money. So for example, if we take this website, and we will get all the blogs. So we are on that particular website where we have landed up. Here 15 best 15 related to fitness and fitness related blogs actually. So we will get all the blogs what we need as of now to promote our affiliate offer. So initially, to promote affiliate offer, we have to go to Clickbank. So if we say in Clickbank is a marketplace where all the affiliate marketers comes, and as well as product promoters comes. So Clickbank is not available for all the countries. It depends upon country to country. So if your country, if Clickbank is not present, you can use JVZoo, or you can use Max Bounty, or different other Clickbank networks. You can use any of the network. Just make sure you just promote that kind of products which are more than $50. The revenue should be more than $50, so that you just need to the goal of $200 per day becomes easier to achieve. So in Clickbank, if we go to search option, then if we go to select gravity, we can see all the products, what is maximum selling, what is maximum people are promoting this kind of products. If we search by gravity, so after that you have to select this option. We need to promote that kind of offers which is above for $50. Okay, so see, after promoting, after we select, we will get all the offers which is above $50. So actually in my channel, or if you talk about any pro affiliate marketers, they will say to promote high ticket products. Yes, high ticket products are very much beneficial, because if you are promoting $20 product, you need to make 5 sales to generate $100 of income. But if you promote $50 product, you need to generate two sales to promote to get $100 of revenue. This is the beauty of high ticket products. Okay, so for example, this product, I got this affiliate product. So initially, before promoting, just make sure you watch this landing page. Make sure you just watch this the product, just how they are working, and what are all the things they are providing, like all the affiliate resources, all the banners, or all the resources, basically what you need to promote your affiliate products. Okay, so initially just go through the product, just have an overview, have an idea about the product, then you can promote that. It will be good for you. And for example, if we take this product itself, they have we will get nearly around $66 in average sale, and this product has upsell, and upsell value, if we take as a consideration of upselling, so average rebill, like people are buying recurringly. For example, you have made a sale of this product, okay, and you got initially $66 of commission for the first time. So the person who bought this product has decided to upgrade to newer version, or maybe the person has decided to use it for next 2 months, then you will get commission for that next 2 months as well. So average rebuild total is $299, like $300 from one product. So that is pretty awesome. And gravity is also high, 148 gravity, means it's literally high. Okay, so I'll create a separate video for Clickbank, and actually I'm working on a course as well, so I'll come up with new videos. I'll show you every single strategies what I use to promote my Clickbank offers, so that any person who are beginner, they can earn good amount of money. So initially, for this video, to get the work started, you have to register on Clickbank. Then you have to select a product which is above $50. You can take any product what is below $50 as well, but it is my recommendation to go for high ticket products. Okay, so make sure your product value, make sure the average sales value should be above 50. So it will be easier for you to generate a good amount of income. So you have to just click on promote button, then you will get a hope link. Okay, so this is the hope link, this is the link what you have to promote. So simply this is the affiliate link. Okay, so initially you have to promote this link. Okay, so you have to copy this link, and after that you have to go some websites like bit.ly, and you can go for some other website like gwo.gl, Google. So these are all link shortener websites. So after you shorten your links, you have to go to these blogs. Okay, so these are all what blogs we have. So suppose we are on this particular blog, and from that I got the reference of Nerd Fitness. Okay, so if I go to particular this blog, so let's see how the blog looks. And after what our main purpose is, we have to go to every single blogs, and we have to promote our affiliate links. So how we can promote it, promote our affiliate links? So in this video, like to make it the whole thing shorted, so for example, you are promoting any health loss product, or maybe weight loss product, or maybe yoga product. So you have to go to some relevant post what is relevant to your product what you are promoting. Okay, so for example, if we go to this particular post, so you have to click on continue reading, then the post will open. After that you have to go to comment section. Okay, so you can see lot of people are commenting on this particular post, because these are all high traffic blogs. Okay, so you will get lot of people who are commenting, who are engaging with their post, and actually you have to read the whole blog post. Okay, so it will be good for you to give a value in the comment as well. Okay, so after you reach to the comment section, you have to write a comment. Okay, you have to initially you cannot promote your link, and you cannot spam. Okay, so initially what I recommend, you just go to the down section, and after commenting, like how you can comment, you have to give some value to the post. Like you can write awesome post, or you can just for an example, you can go for some other tips and tricks what you can use to lose weight. You have to read the whole post. After that you can make a value to that comment. Okay, so initially you have to give some value to that comment, and after to the post, that you have went to the article, and article was so awesome, and you also have experienced the same thing in your life, and after that you can recommend your link. Okay, so initially, if you say something like you can give your link, and by saying that I was facing the same kind of issues, and this kind I got so and so product, which helped me to shape myself in a decent way in so and so date, in 14 days or maybe in 30 days, whatever. So initially you have to create a value, and after that you have to promote your affiliate link. So these are all high traffic websites, and there are a lot of people who will going who will going to see your post, who will going to see your comment. So if for example in this particular post 16 people has commented, and all are regarding the post. Okay, so in the meanwhile, if you just give and if you promote your affiliate link, maybe you cannot maybe there are a lot of posts, you won't be, it won't be visible in front of everyone, because there are admins who will moderate this kind of comments. But the thing is that if you comment in for example 30 to 40 posts, 30 to 40 different blogs, so there are a lot of chances that your link will get so many eyeballs that you can generate one or two sales every single day. So for example, if you are promoting that link, the affiliate link to 30 or 40 posts every single day, so there are a lot of chances that you get two or three sales. So to initially generate income of $400, you will need 50 you will need four sales of $50. Then only you can make $200 of income per day. Okay, so this is the main strategy what you are going to use. I think I was able to create a value in this video, and I tried my level best to explain step by step in very short amount of time. And if you like this video, make sure you like it, and if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe my channel, and also press on bell icon, so that whenever I create new videos, you are the first person who get notification, and you can watch a lot other cool strategies to earn money online. Till then, thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.